We're going to be replacing this shower head with a new upgraded one. Installing a new shower head really isn't too bad. We've got this head, we've got an attachment to hang up the hose on the wall. This is the diverter that we're going to attach to the spout. It even came with a little bit of Teflon tape. Look at that. And then we've got this handle here. All together, it's supposed to look like this when we're done. First I removed the old shower head, and now I'm going to remove all the old Teflon tape. We're going to swap this out for my friend's mom. This is my friend from college. His mom treated us so many times to Sunday dinners. Finally, I get the chance to repay her a little bit. This one has a little plastic insert. We're going to remove this. This shower head is going to thread in a clockwise motion. So we're going to add Teflon tape onto this shower head arm. We're also going to go in a clockwise motion. You're going to start at the top and you want to work your way down towards the front. And it doesn't take very much. We're actually going to do two projects today. We're going to swap this out, and then we're also going to install a ceiling fan. So if you want to see that video, check in the description below. With it ending right here, as this turns clockwise, it won't unravel it. This has two ends. This end with the nut attaches to here. This end will attach to the shower head. It came with a washer, so you just put that in there. Since this has a washer, you don't need to use Teflon tape on it. You only use Teflon tape when it's a metal connection. These aren't really metal. By putting this on the threads and then compressing it with that gasket is what is going to keep it from leaking. Came with another washer. We're going to put that on the top here. We put the washer in here, and then we're going to connect the shower head to it. And just making it hand tight is sufficient. Okay, now time to test it. We shouldn't see any water leaking here, here, or here. So we're gonna test all those spots. A good way to tell, sometimes you can't see it, but if you rub your finger on it and then look at your finger, if it's wet, then it's easier to tell if you have a leak. That's dry, that's dry. Whoa, turbo mode here. It's got some adjustments. Very nice. All right, no leaks, so we're calling this done. Make sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.